Welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about short vowels. Short vowels definition. Short vowels are vowel sounds that are pronounced in a short form. Reading fluency short vowels. At, C-A-T cat, B-A-T bat, M-A-T mat, R-A-T rat, H-A-T hat, F-A-T fat, am, H-A-M ham, J-A-M jam, R-A-M ram, D-A-M dam, Y-A-M yam. An, C-A-N can, F-A-N fan, V-A-N van, R-A-N ran, P-A-N pan, M-A-N man. E-D ed, V-E-D ved, R-E-D red, B-E-D bed, F-E-D fed, T-E-D ted. At, W-E-T wet, J-E-T jet, N-E-T net, V-E-T wet, M-E-T mat. I-N in, P-I-N pin, B-I-N bin, F-I-N fin, W-I-N win, T-I-N tin. I-T it, K-I-T kit, H-I-T hit, S-I-T sit, P-I-T pit, L-I-T lit. I-P ip, S-I-P sip, Z-I-P zip, H-I-P hip, D-I-P dip, L-I-P lip. O-T ought, P-O-T pot, C-O-T caught, H-O-T hot, R-O-T rot, D-O-T dot, J-O-T jot. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.